Hey everyone, happy Friday and welcome back to yet another YouTube video. I hope you've all had an amazing week. So today's video is something a little bit different, but we've had so many questions. So the other day on our Instagram stories, I posted a video of me wearing just the pressed powder foundation as my everyday foundation. And you guys loved it because it looked like a full coverage. So today I'm going to take you through my step-by-step on how I achieve a full coverage with just the pressed powder foundation. But first, I've already gone in with the mineral primer and the light mineral blur concealer. So now it's time to go in with the actual foundation itself. So the one that I love to use every day is the pressed powder foundation in shade 06 and the vegan kabuki brush. I prefer the pressed powder foundation because I do prefer a little bit more of a matte finish. So I'm going to go ahead and swirl in my brush in the product, tap off the excess and start blending it into the skin. I like to split my face up into sections, so I split it into quarters. So I've got this quarter here, and then I move up the top of my forehead, then I move across to the other side, and then down to the other side of my cheek. So I split it up into 4 sections, and I blend for about 20 to 30 seconds just to make sure that the natural oils of my skin blend with the minerals of the makeup. So I'll just start going in a circular motion. And where I've applied my concealer, I'm just going to press it in. So that tiny bit that I put on my brush literally went such a long way. It's covered my whole cheek, half of my chin, half of my nose, and also around my eyes as well. So I'm going to move my way up the face now, and then I'll show you half my face undone compared to half my face fully done. Just making sure we blend down the neck as well. So here is half my face compared to the half my face done. And all I did was swirl the brush into the powder foundation at once. And that's how good the coverage is. It goes such a long way, and I love it. This is why I wear it every day to my princess. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side now. There we go, there's my full face done with just the pressed powder foundation and nothing else. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup now, and I'll show you guys the end result. And there we are, that's the finished look just using the pressed powder foundation as my base. It literally looks like a full coverage. I love it. This is usually my go-to everyday look, especially when I'm going to the gym in the mornings, because it's just so quick and easy. You just pop on your pressed powder, a bit of bronzer, blush, illuminate, brush up the brows and some gloss, and we're ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you like this tutorial. Please leave a comment below on what products you'd like to see more of, or any questions you have, and I can film a video for you guys. But I hope you have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you next Friday for another video. Make sure you like and subscribe to get notified next week when the next video goes live. See you guys then.